More than 99% of all the energy that we have on Earth is coming from the sun. At Odqa, we have developed a technology to harness that energy and to use that energy for our industrial needs. I'm proud to say that we have the most advanced understanding around air-based solar thermal systems in the world.
Right at the heart of Odqa is sustainability. The intent was to replace fossil fuel.
To try and deliver something that is clean, sustainable, but isn't using fossil fuels is a very, very important challenge.
Around the world, there are so many different industries already using industrial heat, and that is using fossil fuels, and this technology looks to replace that.
There are other companies that look at how you take the heat from the sun and harness it, but we do it in a particularly elegant way. We use the heat from the sun and transfer the energy into air, and then that air directly is used either in a process or store it as heat so that it can be used overnight. What you look for is places where the sun shines a lot, and clearly the south of Spain is a good example. The PSA is a world-class institute. They are world experts in heat transfer technology. And indeed their combination of the solar tower, their control room, the heliostats is hard to match anywhere.
Essentially, we have a field full of mirrors. Those mirrors are focusing the energy from the sun at a single point and turning that into concentrated heat that can be used industrially.
In that facility, we can produce industrial-scale superheated gases from sunlight, which is a world first, and either use these superheated gases in the downstream operation or store the energy in the form of heat. We have integrated an industrial rotary dryer, but we can integrate other things like a boiler, and we can produce steam or any kind of other heat-requiring applications.
The system was able to produce air at 800 degrees C. We've tested much, much higher temperatures than that.
We've shown that it can work already, and I think there is so much potential to make a really big difference with it.
There are so many companies that are desperate to decarbonise. They're concerned about the environment, they're concerned about carbon taxes. They want to ensure that they've got a sustainable solution. If those companies are burning gas or burning oil, we're offering a solution.
We've demonstrated each piece of technology. We know we can harness the energy, we know we can store it. It's going to be really interesting to look at this on a global scale.
How we engage with energy will change over the next 20 years. And that will be the biggest opportunity that anyone can see in our lifetimes. What Odqa is bringing to the table is not only simplicity, it has a commercial meaning at a totally different level. And that level is energy security and the security of the supply chain.